to begin with.
It's fine. We'll just leave it this way. Unless
I
you
know a
guys just
person
want
that's used their tag for the week.
to. Just. Why
I mean,
did
I
I
can just break that real quick
overcomplicate
and go over
this?
there.
Yeah, Ikari, Yenna, go over to Braddy's party, and then whoever wants to volunteer to invite Teef, take lead. Sorry for the confusion.
I think they both left.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the point.
Oh, that's right. Okay, cool. Whatever.
It looked to me like there was 6 in that party, but there's not. That's my bad. Sorry. I'll count next time.
Please.
All right, Cup Pirate, stand off by yourself so I can give you your songs. Everyone get ready.
Let me get one more tick.
Yep.
My actual mix.
138.
I love singing Mins.
Yeah, we were just a little slow on it last week, and that's why I got fucked up, I think. But I'll open with the Divine Seal refresh. Hey, let me know when you guys are ready. Looks like we're getting TP.
You guys ready?
I'm just messing around, but I'm ready yet.
Okay, cool.
Salty stay at spawn. Me and final move.
All right, I'm popping.
Sure. Sounds good. Hey, you didn't die this time.
Dang, I'm so fucking tanky, and we were a lot quicker to pull this off me.
Make sure you guys get your correct distance. Cup Pirate, come here for ballad. No, it's after Cup Pirate again. There we go.
Yeah, it's hitting final a lot, so it's losing.
I don't have a stun.
I don't want to heal you, Gina.
I can.
You can heal me now.
Okay, I think it's good.
Wait, what did he come sub?
Make sure you guys are getting slow and everything on each one. Paralyze, etc.
Final, it's just a visual glitch on my side. You have everything, so.
Gonna give Final a little more time to get hate before I pump Nomuses into that.
Mm-hmm. I think he's
I got drawn into finals? What the fuck?
It's weird. You need a dispel on Argentavis.
Everyone's on the other side. I'll just do this.
See
There
if
we
I can
go.
cast slows on these guys. Hey, it landed. Yay. Damn. That's all
Xfino, do you want
others.
any ballads or are you good?
What?
Does Xfino, do you want ballads or are you good with hastes for tanking? Okay.
Super jumping nose and then moving on Terra.
This fights might not be the most fun to attack, like to like do damage on. It's really fun to heal. There's always something going on.
There's always something going on for debuffs too, which feels
Yeah.
good.
Super engaging for supports, which sounds funny, but
Want me to go first?
I'm gonna switch parties here in a second now that we're established.
damn, I just got an ostrich staff and my paralyzed still resisted. That's fucked up, dude. Got fucking
We're
scammed.
fucked up, man.
Wait, what?
Is paralyzed not wind?
No.
Which one is it?
It's ice.
Ice, brother.
Ice?
Yes.
Ice, baby.
Brady, please invite me.
It's the whole reason I'm doing ice. Well, that and bind. Bind is also ice if you didn't know.
Do you want
I jumped
do you
in.
want attack songs yet, Brady?
Yeah, I can take them. It should be
Okay.
okay.
Take my 8 gang, give it to you now. When you get TP gang, I'm gonna let you trick close a weapon skill for Yuna. Give him 8.
Dog.
You're not hitting it, gang. Oh. Oh, Leonaga went off. Asin?
I didn't see it casting.
Gotcha.
SC, invite me, please.
Gone.
Holy shit,
Oh,
this is getting
super jump.
spicy.
Hell yeah, it is.
I have Soul Voice if you need MP, Kepper, but try to manage.
Yeah, it's just them all eating a guy. Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
Pelicans
Hate's
on Cat
pretty-
Pirate. I'm gonna shadow bind
It's
it.
just because I was cure bombing those guys. Cool, we're good. I just needed to lose some hate.
Alright, gang, I'm gonna let you close. Ready?
Alright. Yes, sir.
Yeah, might be. Soul Voice might be the play. Unfortunately.
Alright, I'm gonna Soul Voice Ballad by Kepper Acid.
Water go 3.
That's fun. Acid, you need to watch this guy. I know you want to do the weapon skill points, but we're actually struggling.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Every time
Brady,
he does a
invite me,
dot, I
please.
was mid cast.
Brady, invite.
We're gonna get this guy down to like 20 and then move to back to Svelties. You got trick?
So I got trick. Yeah, I'm good.
Holy shit, Soul Voice ballads are crazy. Guys, is G-Horn good?
Yup. 24.
Just say when you want a devotion final. But looks like you're doing well so far.
Alright, I'm super jumping and going to the other one.
SC, invite me, please.
Oh, this one's already at 22. I'm actually just gonna go to K. By the time we get K down, it'll. Those should
We're
be
doing ballads
pretty
by
low.
Kepper Acid.
Got trick gang.
Yeah, I'm ready. Well,
Oh,
Pissed it off. I'm running back in.
let us trick real quick. Brady, so stay in.
Yep. Yep.
And get over here. Stay still, final. Don't move.
Can we get some
Let gang get here.
dispels on Argentavis, please? Brady, invite me.
I'm probably gonna tank here in a minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Just gonna second third eye.
I'm gonna take your 8 here in a second.
God, we're so good at 8 control. Holy shit.
My thief in
You got trick?
2026.
Trek is ready.
Ah,
No. Fuck. Too far out.
SC invite me.
what's the other two at? Yeah, they're like 10.
I might be committing suicide here. That's okay.
You guys go ahead and stay here. I'm gonna go help with the other ones real quick.
Wait, Pesty, I'm giving you another song.
I'm
real
about to
quick.
drop
I
K.
am super jumped.
You got it.
Oh, nice. Wow, did they change that? Is that an LSP thing?
I don't know.
Before I did
Or
not get
I
that.
can
Them.
lift.
You got both songs though, so
I'm gonna get Svelties a little bit lower.
Oh shit, K is at 6. FYI.
Yep, careful. Yep, just be careful.
Brady
Don't really
got
do
hate
damage
from
to it.
the skill chain. You guys know the
Brady
kill
just
order?
tried to absolutely blast.
Yeah. I mean, I did call that I was gonna put K down.
What's the kill order again?
K is
first.
K is first, and then T is usually last. Or A. Yeah, no, A. A's last. Sorry.
So
A is the bar.
KTA.
Yeah.
KTA, yeah.
KTA. Yep.
Okay.
Alright, I'm not gonna. What is this one? at?
T's at 4, careful.
Okay.
3.
Get this one. Smack this one a couple more times.
You can just
Where's
leave this to
Campfire?
me to T,
Come
and
here.
I'll get down to 1.
We'll go ahead and kill T or kill the other one then. Okay. Because T is looks like it's good. A will be good. So here we go.
Good luck.
Good luck for Rio. We haven't gotten a single Striders, right?
No.
Feels like we're fucking owed.
Ooh, kill Kellenkin, quick. Terra's
trying.
dangerously low, careful. Don't kill
I'm
Terra.
not going to kill it.
Dead.
He
I
knows
know
what he's
how
doing.
much I would do.
Now we can kill T.
What the fuck?
Svelty's dead, Svelty's dead, Svelty's dead.
I'm
It's because
Brady's
at 100
dead.
fists.
Brady's dead.
Yeah, at 100
It's-
fists. So we gotta kill it. It's 1%.
Really?
Never gonna get them, dude. That
I literally
that,
feel like they dropped the fucking.
that ring's
drop
actually
rate on it.
good, so if you are a bard.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
good if you're a bard.
Someone raise Svelty and Brad.